my people, how you doing? It's your baby girl Mama Òndó of Africa. Rachel. Today we are going to continue with our lesson, learning Ondo dialect with Mama Òndó. Last time we talked about family, how a father is being called mother, sisters, and all that. Today we are going to continue with some regular question you can ask in Ondo dialect. Regular question you can ask in Ondo dialect. Take for example, like the other time we talked about family, I said Aburo is your younger sibling. You want to ask, where is your brother? In Yoruba, they will ask this way. They'll be like, Aburo enko, Aburo enko. But in Ondo, they'll be like, Abuweke, Abuweke. Regular question. So another question here is, when they want to ask you your name, like in English, what is your name? Yoruba, kilorukoe. Kilorukoe. In Ondo dialects, it's been said this way. It's like kokoe, kokoe, kokoe. It's kind of funny. Yeah, it's funny. I told you it's very, very interesting. And the next one is, if I want to ask you, where do you live? Where do you live? Where do you live? Where do you live, babe? Like, ooh. Yoruba will be like, Nibolungbe, Nibolungbe, Nibolungbe. Ondo people will ask you, Kubuwegbe, Kubuwegbe. And you want to answer them, I live down the street. In Ondo, you want to reply them in Ondo. When they ask you, Kubuwegbe, I live down the street. I'm like, oh my God. Ibi odo wo. Ibi odo wo. So it's kind of funny. So like, what are you doing? What are you doing in Yoruba is kilonshe. Kilonshe. In Ondo is kueshe. 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 Oh my God. So that's the thing. So, and that's another question is, and they're asking you, what are you doing? You can say, I'm cooking. Yoruba will say, Montana. Ondo will say, Shimedana. Medana. Medana. You cannot kill me, Medana. So that's that about that. So the next one is, where are you? Where are you? Where are you in Yoruba is Nibolowa. Nibolowa in Yoruba. In Ondo dialect is being said this way. Kubuwega. Yeshade. Kubuwega. Where are you? And if you want to say she's in the market, she'll be like, oh, Mama Rocha, Moyi Ojabe, Moyi Ugele. Ugilimauko is one of the popular markets in Ondo town. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, quickly click on the subscribe button. Please, if you want me to do more, please comment. I need your comment to keep me going. If there's any question on the previous class or this particular video you're watching, kindly drop your comment below. Thank you.